Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you all are well. This is the third class of our microeconomics course. In this class, we'll discuss price theory in microeconomics. First, we'll know the price theory. Price theory is an important branch of microeconomics that describes how the price of goods and services are determined in a market economy and how prices influence the decisions of consumers, workers, and producer and the allocation of resources through the interaction between supply and demand. So consumers, workers and producer decision depend on the price and the allocation of resources through the interaction between supply and demand described by price theory. Microeconomics is often called price theory. Simply, we can say that price theory is the branch of microeconomics that studies how prices are determined through the interaction of demand and supply and how prices affect the allocation of resources. Now we'll know why is microeconomics called the price theory. When a consumer purchases a product, the quantity and what product they purchase depend on the price. We know that consumer demand of a product and price are inversely related for normal good. When price increases, consumer demand decreases, and when price decreases, consumer demand increases. The quantity of a product a producer will produce also depends on the price. It basically depends on input price because when input price increases, consumer production decreases, and when input price decreases, consumer production increases because every farm or producer want to produce at lower cost. Workers' job choices depend on wages because every workers want to get higher wage. The amount of labor a farm will demand depends on the wage rate and depreciation cost. Now we'll know some importance of price theory. Price theory helps to explain price determination through the interaction between supply and demand. It helps to understand consumer and producer decision making behavior. Consumer and producer decision depend on price theory. It helps to analyze market efficiency and explain resource allocation. Thanks for watching. Next class we'll discuss next topic of our course.